Hello, what is up mga ma'am, sir, ma'am? Ako po si Ralph Cifra, isang visual artist from Manila, Philippines. And today we are going to unbox and review the YOLO Park Evangelion AMK Pro Series 20cm model kits, Evangelion Test Type 01. Thank you very much, YOLO Park, for sending this amazing model kit for unboxing review. Unboxing and review. Hindi na natin i-custom to kasi sobrang ganda na nito mga ma'am, sir. Oh, sobrang okay ng paint. Nga pala, meron din silang available nito na AMK series naman. So, available doon yung 01, 02, and 03. So, yun yung purple, yellow, and red versions. So, dito, yung ginawa nilang AMK Pro is the purple version, tsaka green. Ganda ng ano nito, ganda ng box art. So, you have the box art, laminated yung mga parts na green. So, you have AMK Pro series here, EVA 01. Here's the side of the box. Ito yung mga accessories, paano siya binibuild. Itong model kit na to mga ma'am sir, hindi siya runner type. Ano siya, pre-built na yung mga parts niya. Tapos ang gagawin na lang natin dito, ikakabit na lang natin yung head, yung shoulders, yung limbs. Yan. Tapos meron din mga color codes dito, PMS 266C for the purple. You have also some artwork here, final gate locked, some poses. Tapos meron siyang luminous coating. And then yung mga die-cast parts, ito yung mga green parts. So yung sa chest, sa shoulder, dito sa may elbow, sa waist, and sa knees, tapos dito sa ankles. Again, thank you very much YOLO Park. Thank you for choosing YOLO Park. Ito yung mga after sales service nila. Yan, may mga QR codes din. Yan, tapos meron din silang website, YOLO Park. Ito yung Evangelion AMK Pro. Tapos meron diyang shop, meron ding description. You also have the images, iba't ibang images dyan. Super cool. Okay, first, so ito yung manual niya. No tools required, no painting required, no glue required. Super fun to i-build every time na makaka-receive ako ng package from YOLO Park. It's a very nice building experience. Lalo na super ganda ng mga model kits nila. Ang ganda ng sculpt. Very nicely detailed yung mga parts, yung head, yung shoulders. And also dito sa Evangelion, since this is the first AMK Pro series, I'm very excited to unbox and very excited to unbox and review this for you guys. Thank you again, YOLO Park. So ito yung mga steps, ito yung mga parts. And then you have the poses. Ang ganda rin ng print material nila. Very nicely printed, colored siya. And colored din. Oh, tama. Colored din yung loob. So you have a very specific guide kung paano siya i-build. And this is it mga ma'am sir. Ito na yung AMK Pro series natin na Evangelion AMK Pro EVA 01 test type